Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to redirect Wix form after form submission to any custom URL. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So this is our contact form, new layout. So when we click on contact form, then you see edit form. So click on it. So we are in dashboard and this is our Wix form, new layout. Now you see multiple option and then you see settings. So click on it. So we are in general setting. Now you see multiple option and then you see confirmation message. You see when a form is submitted, you see drop down. Now select and then you see redirect to a URL. Now select. So you can add redirect URL. So you can add URL according to requirement. So we added google.com and then you see redirect to new tab or same tab. So it's up to you. So we select new tab. So when user submit the form, after submission, redirect to URL in new tab. So we select and then click on save. Now save done, now close and then click on publish. Now publish done, go to form page. So we are in contact page and refresh the page. So this is our form. So we are going to add some information. So we added some information. Now you see first name, last name and then click on submit. Now you see form submission done and then open google.com. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.